How do I set up my machine for the first time? Unpack, learn, assemble, test. Lay each item on the surface in front of you. Identify all the components: the CPAP machine base, power supply and power cord, humidifier or water tub, circuit, filters, if not pre-inserted, the manual. Are there any spare parts in the package you need to save for the future? Extra filters, for example. Watch a setup video of your new machine on Respshop.com or look at diagrams for your setup in the manual. Read the manual or watch a video to learn how to keep it clean. Determine how often you should replace parts. Attach the power cord. Then, attach the tubing to the CPAP machine. Then, attach the humidifier. Before first use, clean the humidifier basin with warm soapy water and rinse well. Decide where to place it. Look for a location that gives stable support to the base of the machine. Make sure the tubing can reach the head of the bed without pulling on the machine, and there is enough slack to allow you to move around in bed. Choose a location that gives you easy access to the on-off controls, filter compartment, and humidifier tub. Then, plug it in. Place it near an outlet so you can easily plug in the machine without concern for pulling on the machine or for tripping on the cord if you get out of bed. Attach the mask to the tubing. Ensure a firm connection. Turn it on. Most likely, everything has been preset to your prescription. Then, put on your mask. Do a leak test with your mask on while laying down if prompted. Lay down and try it out.